Hi, my name is Carl Knabel. I'm a member of the class of 2021, and I'm the president of the Thespian Society here at IC.
Hi, my name is Haley Sennett. I am also part of the class of 2021, and I am co-president of the Drama Club here at IC.
Hi, my name is Aiden Rocha. I'm part of the class of 2021, and I am also co-president of the Drama Club.
Hi, I'm Brooke Stanley. I'm a member of the class of 2022, and I'm the secretary of the Drama Club here at IC.
Hi, my name is Nora Kenny. I'm a member of the class of 2022, and I am vice president of IC's Thespian Society.
We just wanted to say a quick thank you to Mr. Boyer. I wanted to say thank you for all the work that you put into making Harry Potter a reality. It would have been easy this year to say, oh, well, it's a pandemic, it's too hard, but you pushed through and made it possible for us to have a play this year when so many other things were canceled. You went above and beyond with this play, dedicating the past 4 months of your life to its success. It was a unique and extraordinary experience that I will never forget, and I'm looking forward to the finished product.
Mr. Boyer, thank you so much for your flexibility and creativity. You have made this wonderful show work thanks to your dedication and incredible skills. You've been truly indispensable in making this stressful year so much better through this show.
I just want to say a quick thank you for bringing this show that means so much to us to life. You truly are the magic behind the curtains and bringing something that we all love and put our passion into life, and so that we could all see it. You are the sparkle of the show. You are the reason that all of us are brought here today to enjoy something like this.
As Mr. Boyer, I'd like to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I truly believe that your optimism really affected all of us in the show. And I also want to thank you for presenting this unique opportunity. It's something I've never done before, and it was very eye-opening. It was very, very great. And your presence was felt in here. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for putting together this production.
Thank you, Mr. Boyer, for all of the time and effort and energy that you've put into this show and helping us become better performers and actors on and off stage. And I can't wait to see how it turns out.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Boyer.
you, Mr. Boyer.
Mrs. Jeswick, thank you for your years in IC Nights Theater. From musicals to plays to drama club and theater fest. We learned so much about acting and characters and sets from you. Most importantly, through these shows, we made so many relationships and memories during these productions. Theater has been one of our favorite activities at IC. Thank you for the wisdom and perspective that you brought to the drama department and the character that you encouraged in each of us. The skills and lessons that we learned will continue to help us throughout our life. Thank you for your dedication to the theater and the arts here at IC all these years. And with that, thank you so much for joining us this evening. Go Knights!